Okay friends, back again. Now we understand what is centroid. Now if I take a triangle ABC I have taken. Now A is here and B is here and C is here. Now say for example this is the midpoint of BC and this is the midpoint of AC and this is the midpoint of AB. Okay, sorry. Now if I join this A and D, so like this, if I join, this is called median. So it passes through A, vertex A, and opposite side BC and through midpoint. Similarly this one, similarly this also. Okay, this passes through like this. Okay, now this point of intersection, all the three medians, this is a median, this median, this median, all the three medians always concurrent, and this point is called G. This is called centroid. So the point of intersection of medians of a triangle is centroid. So centroid is G. So it divides this AD in the ratio 2:1. Okay, now here also this is 2:1 like this. Okay, here also 2:1. Okay, this is the centroid. So always centroid lies inside the triangle. Okay, remember centroid lies inside the triangle, whatever be the triangle. So we have 5 different types of triangles, like acute triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, right angle triangle, okay, obtuse triangle, so on. Right. So this is called centroid of a triangle. Okay. Now the other one is the circumcentre. So what is circumcentre? So circumcentre is, suppose if I take a triangle like this, is a triangle. Now I should draw perpendicular bisectors. What's a perpendicular bisector? Suppose if is A, B, C is a triangle. So this is length I'll take, exact I'll take midpoint here. Say for example it is D, and I'll draw a perpendicular. Right? This is a perpendicular. So it may not go through the opposite vertex, perpendicular. Similarly here also, if I take this one and say it's a midpoint and say it is for example E, and if I draw the perpendicular, it should be perpendicular to the given one, so it should be perpendicular. Similarly this side, the midpoint is a perpendicular. All this is, yes, we know it is called circumcentre of the triangle. So circumcentre is equidistance from A, from B, from C. So it's equidistance from all the 3 sides, right? So this is, and this, from this if I draw a circle, I can draw a circle like this a circle I can draw, because this will become a diameter. So this is a diameter, so I can show you. So this is a radius, SC is a radius, SC is a radius, this is a radius, and this is a radius. Through this I can draw a circle. So it's called circumcentre. And the other one is orthocentre. What is orthocentre? Orthocentre is the point of intersection of altitudes of a triangle. If I draw a triangle like this, say what is its altitude? This is the altitude. Okay, what is from this side? So if I see from this side, this would be the altitude. Okay, so altitude means passes through opposite vertex and straight perpendicular. So this is may not be the midpoint. So ABC is a triangle. If I take this opposite from B, I should draw perpendicular. That's all. Should be a perpendicular. It should be perpendicular. So whether it is midpoint or what one would want. Okay. Similarly, this side also. If I draw like this, so this is the line. So this is called O, the orthocentre. Okay. This is called, say, O is the orthocentre. Right. So we have seen that centroid. Centroid is a point of intersection medians of a triangle. Centroid we have taken, and circumcentre and orthocentre. So as I told you, the relation between these centroid, circumcentre and orthocentre is always it is like this. If I draw like this, this is say for example orthocentre H, say for example, and this is G, centroid, and this is S, circumcentre. G divides in the ratio 2:1. So always H and S and G are in the collinear. That means if I take a triangle here,